Welcome to the video tutorial on how to import and convert 2003 pool information into your 2004 program. To convert 2003 pool files to 2004 format, Turbo Tourney provides the File Upgrade Wizard. To run the File Upgrade Wizard, just select from the File menu the File Upgrade Wizard. So then the File Upgrade Wizard starts up, and you simply select the next button to go to the input file screen, which is where we'll put in the name of the file that we want to import from. So this would be the file that's in 2003 format. In my case, my file from last year is called my2003officepool.tt, and select next. And now you have some options on how you'd like the file converted. If you want to just start a new tournament, you select that option to create a new tournament file in 2004 format, and all the information related to the tournament, such as the pairings and the results, will be cleared out, but any specialized settings that you might have, like your scoring or reporting options, will be kept intact. Another option would be New Tournament Convert Players. This basically does the same thing as the new tournament, except that it also converts over your player information as well. You can then choose to convert the same tournament, so it would basically just take the exact information in the 2003 file, convert it to the 2004 file, including all the pairings and results. You can use the same tournament convert players, which will do the same thing as the same tournament, but will also convert over all your players. And the final option is same tournament will convert players and their picks. So this would be giving you basically a duplicate file in 2004 format as you have in 2003. Typically, if you're converting from 2003, you're going to want to create a new tournament and not bring over your player information, so you would select that option. However, if you wanted to also convert over the players themselves, like the player names and email addresses, you could use the New Tournament Convert Players. So I'm going to go ahead and select New Tournament Convert Players. I'm going to go ahead and start a brand new tournament, but I'm also going to bring over all my players from the 2003 file, but not their picks. And now I have some options here to either use the current tournament information as far as the year. I'm going to go ahead and use new information and call it 2004 tournament, and my 2004 is my tournament year. Contact information, I'm going to leave that the same. And now we specify the 2004 file name. So this will basically take my 2003 file, convert it, and we'll create a new file called my2004officepool.tt. And we're ready to run the upgrade wizard on that file. Select finish. And now it tells me that the file has been built, the file name, and it tells me that the custom settings were converted. The tournament information was reset because I did not want to copy over the tournament pairings and results. And it copied over 21 players, but not their picks, so just their basic information. And that's how you run the File Upgrade Wizard. So now that I have my 2003 file converted over to the 2004 format, I can run Turbo Tourney 2004, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the 2004 file that I just converted. So as you can see, it converted over all my player information, and if I look at my options, it also brought over all of my scoring options and tiebreaker options as well from the 2003 format. So basically this is an identical tournament file with the new players, and as you can see there's no picks, and there's also no pairings information either, so it's a brand new tournament ready to go for 2004. The one drawback to using that method to convert over the 2003 information to 2004 is that any new settings that the 2004 version uses, it may not take advantage of. So what it does is it basically wants it to show you an exact copy of what you had from 2003. So for example, in 2004 there are some new web options that were not available in the 2003 version, the enhanced web pages. So when we make the conversion over from 2003, we convert it over without the enhanced turned on because that's a new feature. So everything you do in this with this converted file will look just like it did in the 2003 format. So anything that's new in the 2004 you would not be taking advantage of. It would be purely and almost an exact copy of the 2003 version. So the other option you can do if you want to take advantage of all the new features but still keep your players from last year is to just import the players from the 2003 file. So let me show you an example of how to do that. We'll start with a new file, and to load my players from last year's file I select from the Tools menu the Import option, and I'm going to select my 2004 file because I have to first convert it to the 2004 format before I can do anything with it. And now it shows me all the players that are in that file, and I'm going to select all of them, and I'm only going to load the player information because at this point in the tournament we don't have any picks, and so all I really want is their name, email address, that kind of thing. And I'm going to go ahead and load the players. So it imported 21 players. So now I have the same players now as I did before. However, because I started a new tournament, all the report formatting is going to use the new 2004 format of the reporting. So we're going to go ahead and get the enhanced web options and all the new information. So probably the best option to convert from a 2003 file is to use the File Upgrade Wizard first to convert over the tournament file to 2004 format, and then import your players from 2003 to 2004 using the import feature. So that's just a quick example of how you can convert and import over your 2003 pool files to 2004 format.